Parentheses disclose non-essential information. This is lesson 25 in the architecture of grammar. My name is Léandre Larouche. I'm the author of the architecture of grammar and the founder of Trivium Writing. In this video, we're going to talk about the parenthesis, which is here, and how we're using it in sentences. So in a nutshell, we disclose non-essential information. In other words, information that we don't need for the sentence to make sense. So these are just details that we could do without. So we don't need that to understand the sentence. So there are different types of components that we can put in a parenthesis. For example, if we use Léandre bought a penthouse, if that's the sentence, we could say Léandre, a man, bought a penthouse. Okay? So Léandre, a man, bought a penthouse. We could also add, so these are just two words, a man. We could also say and his girlfriend. So his girlfriend, that is a noun phrase. So Léandre and his girlfriend bought a penthouse. Now, it's different if I remove the parentheses and I say Léandre and his girlfriend bought a penthouse. Then in this case, his girlfriend has just as much importance as Léandre. But the fact that I put it in the parentheses actually shows that it has less importance. Now, the other thing is you could have a sentence. You could have a sentence and then have another sentence in parentheses. So let's use our blocks. Who, what. Again, we could have multiple more, but that's just it. And then who and what. So here we have one sentence, one normal sentence, and then we have a sentence inside parentheses. So what this means is that it's a detail. It's just not as important as the other one. So there are many different things that we can put in a parenthesis. And so if you go in lesson 25 in the architecture of grammar, then you can see all these different things that you can put in there, and you can work through the examples and make sure you fully understand how to use parentheses.